Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to buy Moti Meme of the Year token crypto coin. So before we start, this is not a financial advice. I am not a professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project, please do your own research. Now this is their X account. You can check it. And now this token is available in the screener. So as you can see, as you can see, the liquidity is locked, so that's mean your investment is in safe place. Now let's go and buy this token. Now as you can see, this token is under Solana network, so we will use the Phantom wallet to buy this token. Now it's easy and simple. Now copy the token address and go to your Phantom wallet. Now after that, enter to your account units. Now after that, click on swap and make sure you have enough Solana to buy this token. Now after that, click here and paste the address. Now this action, it's make you safe or make your investment safe to select the right coin. So this is our token. Now here, enter how much you want to buy, and this is how much you will receive. Now this is the providers. You can go with OX or via Jupiter. Now after you select one of these, you can now click on swap and they will redirect you to Jupiter to complete the buy process to buy this token. So what is this token about? So this token is a community-driven project dedicated to honoring the most iconic memes that have defined our digital lives, they said, with a unique blend of nostalgia and innovation. Moti invites users to vote to their favorite memes, reliving the laughs and moments that brought the world together. It's more than just a coin. It is a celebration of creativity, humor, and the digital moments that makes life memorable. Join the fun, cast your votes, and be part of the movement that keeps the internet laughing. So this is how to buy meme token or Moti token. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.